A hot topic at the Kentucky Welding Institute, at least out in the social media end, is the fact that we drug and alcohol test here at KWI. A lot of people will argue that that's an invasion of privacy, but guess what? It's not. Our students know full well coming into the institution that they will be subject to these tests. So why does KWI do it? Well, the philosophy is easy. We are preparing our product, which is our students, for our customers, which is the employers on the backside. In the industry, employers are looking to hire welders who can pass weld tests and drug tests. So it's important to us to know that our product, both in skill and in moral ethical fiber, is ready for the industry on the backside. So on day 1, you'll be mouth swabbed. In month 3 or 4, you're going to go through a urinalysis test. And then month 5 or 6, you're going to get hair pulled, and we're going to test that as well. On big holidays like New Year's Eve or the Super Bowl weekend, as you come back in on Monday, we're going to go ahead and alcohol breathalyze test. Now, we hope we're attracting people that don't want to do drugs at all. The alcohol, on the other hand, though, we're okay if you drink, I guess, as long as you're of age and taking that responsibly. But regardless, it doesn't matter. When you come in on Monday, you've got to be straight. And that's how it's going to be in the working world. Your time is your time, yes, until it spills over onto the employer's time. So if you come in blowing something hot on the breathalyzer, now you've gone too far, and they're going to walk you off the job. My father was a drunk. My brother got into drugs. I know that genetically I'm probably susceptible to an addictive personality, that if I get into those things, I could probably go down a bad road. So I fight those at artillery range from a distance. As a matter of fact, I try to pour myself and this extra energy into my work, my family. I enjoy lifting weights and like seeing the benefits of that. But see how I made that work for me instead of take away from my life economically, because I work hard and don't bleed money on negative things like alcohol and drugs. Then everything is much better before that. So what do you care? What does this have to do with you? Well, if you like getting drunk and drugs, then I guess pick another weld school. So by coming to Kentucky Welding Institute, you know that it's an iron sharpens iron type of mentality. You're here with students that all have goals. And again, getting in that competition will help raise you up. You're the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. So if you come to KWI, where everybody has the same forward-thinking, goal-oriented lifestyle, then that's going to help elevate you as well.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.